Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for the medical device industry, corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA. Whether you're a manufacturer, a quality manager, or simply curious about how medical devices maintain their safety and effectiveness, this video is for you. So, what exactly is CAPA? Corrective action is all about identifying and eliminating the causes of existing nonconformities, those unwanted situations that can compromise quality. On the other hand, preventive action focuses on eliminating potential causes of nonconformities before they even happen. Now, let's talk about CAPA requirements under ISO 13485. This international standard for quality management systems in the medical device sector outlines several key steps: identification of nonconformities. Organizations need procedures to identify nonconformities, whether through audits, user complaints, or process monitoring. Analysis: once a nonconformity is identified, a root cause analysis must follow, using techniques like the 5 whys or fishbone diagrams. Implementation of actions: corrective actions must be defined and put into practice with clear responsibilities assigned. Effectiveness verification: after implementation, organizations must verify that the actions taken effectively eliminated the nonconformity. Documentation: every step of the CAPA process must be documented to ensure traceability and regulatory compliance. Similarly, the EU Medical Device Regulation, or EU MDR, emphasizes the importance of CAPA in several ways. Risk management: CAPA must integrate with continuous risk assessment processes. Vigilance reporting: serious incidents must be reported, with appropriate corrective actions taken. Quality management system: a robust QMS must include CAPA for ongoing improvement. Data-driven decisions: the CAPA process should rely on data from clinical performance and user feedback. Regular reviews: procedures need to be regularly updated based on effectiveness evaluations and regulatory changes. Now, let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a manufacturer of cardiac monitoring devices receives multiple complaints about inaccurate readings during critical situations. Step 1. Identification of nonconformities. The manufacturer records these complaints and starts an investigation, discovering discrepancies under certain conditions. Step 2. Root cause analysis. A root cause analysis reveals that the issue lies in the software algorithms, especially in low battery scenarios. Step 3. Implementation of corrective actions. The manufacturer decides to update the software and introduce a battery monitoring feature that alerts users when levels are low. Step 4. Verification of effectiveness. After implementing these changes, they conduct field tests and monitor feedback to ensure that accuracy issues are resolved. Step 5. Documentation. Finally, all findings, actions, and results are documented, ensuring compliance